Welcome to your new family haven. This spacious home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a welcoming lounge, a cozy family room and modern kitchen, a pool and 3 garages. Secure, stylish, and ready to move in. As we step inside, the first room we meet is a room that offers versatility as a 4th bedroom or a private home office. With laminate wood flooring and dual windows, it's perfectly positioned at the front entrance, separate from the main living areas for added privacy and quiet focus. This spacious lounge offers a warm, relaxed setting with light wood laminate flooring and soft natural light. It's the perfect space to unwind, entertain, or enjoy quiet family time. The dining room, perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. Natural light pours in through large windows, while the open-plan layout connects seamlessly to a well-equipped kitchen with white cabinetry and tiled floors, black countertops, and tiled finishes. Functional, inviting, and ready for everyday living. From the galley layout to the cozy breakfast nook with bar stools, every detail is designed for comfort and convenience. A separate scullery keeps the main space clutter-free, while the walk-in pantry adds practical storage for everyday essentials. A cozy family room, designed for connection and comfort. With tiled floors and natural light filtering through patterned windows, it's perfect for movie nights or relaxed weekends. A sliding door opens directly to the pool area, blending indoor warmth with outdoor living. Moving to the main living area, we have 2 generous bedrooms that is serviced by the first bathroom, which has a shower, toilet, and basin. In the main bedroom, a peaceful retreat with built-in wardrobes and soft natural light. The private ensuite bathroom offers everyday convenience, blending classic finishes with a warm, homely touch. The garage has a side door opening onto the courtyard. There is a large storeroom behind the garages that adds a possible flat conversion. Don't miss the chance to make this secure, spacious family home yours. Contact us today to arrange a viewing and take the first step toward your new lifestyle.